So this fridge guy is using anti-knockback. I'll show you. I'll go up and bow him, and then he won't even be knocked back. Just really annoying when people use this hack because it ruins the whole game. Like, other hacks are dealable with. Like, if you use crit hacks, you can still get knocked off the edge. If you use other hacks like kill aura, you can still be knocked off the edge. But with this, you can't be knocked off the edge, and that is the main way to kill people in this game, is by knocking them off the edge with the punch bow. That's in my opinion anyway. That's the easiest way to kill someone, and by using this hack, you're just denying any chance of that. So look, I'll gear fully up. I'll buy some more golden apples because I'm going to need them. And I'll buy some more arrows as well. Okay, so let me just show you this guy's hacks. Actually, let me buy a pickaxe just in case I can have a chance to kill him, but I don't think it's going to happen. Let me get diamond pickaxe. Okay. See, look at this. He isn't being knocked back at all. Oh, look at that as well. Like, you can obviously tell he has some anti-knockback hacks. See, look at this. Oh, okay, I didn't get it there, but look at this. Ready? I'm going to try to hit him off, and he doesn't get knocked back. That was a bad example, but you saw my bow shot. It easily should have killed him. Like, look at this. Look at this. And he has mob aura on as well. Look, he's attacking the villager. See, look at this. Look at this. See? Doesn't do anything. He has Hex. Oh, I guess I can't say that, but yeah, see? You know, let me go and hide and see what he does. See if he can find me while I'm hidden. Oh, he's gonna see me now, but okay, let me try to hide over here, just so I can get a sneak attack on him and show you his hacks again. Let's wait for him to do something, but it was pretty obvious when he was trading the villager. That's probably the most obvious proof I have of him hacking. So, no, let's go on to blue or something. Let's at least try to break the egg, because that's about as much as I'm going to do, and I could possibly kill his teammates, since they don't use hacks, which is nice. At least some people have some respect for the game. Okay, so let's just go over here. He didn't follow me, so they shouldn't be able to see me. Hopefully they had a diamond gen. It's only level 1. Well, that gives us enough for a pickaxe. I guess I can buy some gear with this. It's not going to be easy, but it's my only shot at getting close. You know, I really need a bow, though, because... Oh, this guy's here. See, okay, I'll try to show you again. See, look, no knockback whatsoever. Does he have reach as well? It looks like he has some reach as well. But he definitely has mob aura. It looks like he has some knockback hack as well, because he's knocking when he's like straight on, he's knocking me back quite a bit, but that just may be me. He can't attack through the villager, that's why I'm standing here. It's sad. He even has some cool abilities as well. Like he has the flame bow, the flame particle effects. Sad that he can't get to use them. Well, it's sad that he doesn't use them legit. That's one way to kill a hacker. Now he's gonna come after me. And I don't have any blocks. Well, at least I killed him. That was so satisfying on my end just to kill him a little bit. I kill him one time. Oh, and he's coming back. Okay. Well, I may be able to do something now. Let's at least buy some gear and a sword or an axe. Something that does damage. Oh, he's mad now. Yeah. Okay, well, there it was. I hope you find that to be enough evidence to ban that guy, because he was obviously hacking in my eyes. So hopefully you see it as well, so we can get rid of people like this from the game who use these type of hacks, because they really just ruin the entire game when you can't knock someone off the edge. So yeah, that's my proof. Hopefully you see it as so, and I'm gonna end the recording now.